Miroslav Korda?
Yeah?
Lieutenant Carter Blake, I'd like to ask you some questions.
Shit, don't just stand there. He's gonna get away.
Stop it now!
Hey, man, watch it.
Lost the lead.
Shit, I lost him. I'm gonna put out an APB. That son of a bitch won't get far.
Hey,
Ethan.
give me a
Heavy.
with extra
Wayne.
Extra.
Wayne.
and hold the
Gameplay.
Hold it.
Gameplay.
and hold the
Origami.
Hold it.
Origami.
Hey, Jimmy, give me a
Wayne.
with not.
Now you can have the best part of the
Heavy.
without the
Heavy.
polyo string
Wayne.
all natural individually wrapped
Wayne.
snacks.
Is this what you want?
Bellissimo! Magnifique!
C'est bon.
Try polyo string.
Wayne.
It's the best part of the
Jason!